basic terms that you should be familiar with while solving questions on profit and loss are mark price, discount value, discount percentage, cost price, selling price, profit, loss, profit percentage, loss percentage. These are the terms that you will normally come across. The tag price is called the mark price. Discount is the number, that is, if the mark price is 100, you are getting a discount of 10 rupees. 10 rupees, the value is called discount. Discount percentage is discount by mark price into 100. In this case, it is 10%. Cost price is the cost that the shopkeeper has paid to get the article. That may be like 80 rupees. Selling price, say selling price is the price that you get after removing discount from mark price. From 100 you remove 10% discount, or you remove 10 rupees, both are same. So after removing 10 rupees you get 90. This is the price at which it is sold, and 90 is the selling price, cost price is 80. In this case you have a profit. When you have a profit you cannot have a loss, and the profit is selling price minus cost price, which is 10 rupees. Now, to compare two businesses, say two businesses give you the same profit, 10 rupees. Which of them is better? Say you cannot just tell based upon this, just based upon profit, because the investment is also important. It is like if you have invested 10 rupees and you have got a profit of 10 rupees, another business you have invested 1000 rupees and got a profit of 10 rupees, definitely the one with lower investment is a better business. Why is it a better business? How do you give a number that says which of these businesses are better? Say if you do not have such an easy comparison, like if it is like not so evident, 900 rupees you have invested, you got 85 rupees profit. Another place you have invested 500 rupees, you got 45 rupees profit. Which of them is a better business? Now how do you compare? It is not so evident. That is why a term profit percentage is introduced, loss percentage is introduced. And here, based upon your investment, how much extra you get is the question. So you should always remember, profit percentage or loss percentage is calculated based upon investment. Based upon means the base is cost price, base is investment, base is investment, base below denominator, and the numerator is profit. The profit that you get out of the investment you have made into 100, or the loss that you have out of the investment that you have made into 100. In this particular question, the profit that you have made is 10 rupees for an investment of 80 rupees. So 10 by 80 into 100, which should be 100 by 8, 12.5%. The profit percentage in this particular situation is 12.5%. Now, there are certain situations where you do not have the value given. No value is given. Such questions are there. Like none of these actual prices are given, but percentages would be mentioned. By increasing the cost price of sugar, if the same amount has to be spent, the quantity has to be reduced. Say in one situation, the cost price of petrol increases, and you are ready to spend the same amount of money. So you will have to buy lesser petrol. You cannot buy more petrol. You cannot buy the same amount. You will have to buy lesser amount. How does such situations work out? Now, if the price of petrol increases by, if there is a situation where price of petrol increases by 20%, by what percentage should you decrease your consumption so that you have the same cost? Total cost should be same. Then you can go by one standard assumption which says let it be such that we are consuming 100 rupees, 100 liters petrol. 100 liters petrol at a cost of 100 rupees per liter. So the total investment would be 100 into 100. Now, when the cost increases, by 20%, the new cost is 120 rupees. Because your investment has to be same, say this is question mark, 100 into 100 should be equal to 120 into question mark. Question mark is 100 into 100 by 120. So this would give you the value of consumption. The exact value of consumption in this question would be 26, 25 and 500 by 6, which is 6, 8 is 48, 20, 83.33. The decrease from 100 is 16.66. Because you 16.66 is the decrease. Because you have taken the initial as 100, the percentage reduction is 16.66% directly. That is why we insist on taking 100 as the initial value. When you take percentage change is found out by calculating change divided by original into 100. When the original is 100, change divided by original into 100, original and 100 gets cancelled. Change itself is a percentage decrease. So taking 100 in the initial case would be helpful. Here the change is 16.66, that itself is a percentage decrease.